Welcome back to Shift Focus. Today we're at Art and Soul Cafe because it's Earth Day and we've decided to take an eco-friendly turn. Artists from across the city are here to display their artworks that have been created from recyclable materials. So let's go check it out. So right now I'm here with Chitra Mandana, who has a lot of works at display here. She's a self-taught artist, so we're gonna ask her what inspired her works and who influenced her and things like that. So Chitra, tell us a little more about the Wise Owl.
Wise Owl, usually these collages are made flat. So I thought I'll unflatten this one, and that's why I did this rough sketch first, and then thought, okay, I'll put it onto the larger main picture. And it's like I've written the description there. It's newspaper is filled with information and knowledge. That's why this owl bird came to my mind. It inspired me to do this one.
And tell us a little more about Heal the World as well. It's made from used tape.
World, yeah, it's made from this magnetic tape. Heal the World, of course, it's made for this event. So that song inspired me to use the tape for this event.
It's beautiful, I must say. And you have a lot more works at display.
Yeah, the one is the one made out of egg cartons. That is again based on the video game things which we used to use as children. So all this flying clock and burning lava and earth. So I made it in that concept.
Probably the youngest participant at the exhibition here with us, Nandita, who's all of 4 years old. Nandita, hi.
Say hello. Hello.
Tell us a little bit about your artwork. What's it about?
Pencil garden.
Face with me, Ganesh Venkatraman, the actor, and I'm going to ask him what he thinks of the artworks at display here today.
Well, firstly, I'm very, very happy, very privileged to be here. Neena Reddy and Shailaja are dear friends of mine, and they began this art gallery about a year back, and it's been doing very well. And the theme itself today was very interesting. It was called Restart Earth. So I was very intrigued. What do they mean by Restart Earth? And Neena and Shailaja filled me up that the concept basically was about waste. They said the idea of this whole art exhibition was to raise awareness about how to reduce, recycle, and sort of reuse waste. So as you can see, the paintings on display over here, each of the artists, teams of artists, I must say, have come up with unique ways of using waste products and giving them an artistic expression. And I think no better means like art to give a message to people, to society. And here I think the message is very simple and clear that we human beings, on the name of development, we tend to waste a lot of things. So we must reduce and we must try to recycle and protect Mother Earth, protect the resources. And as a youngster, as part of the society, I think I'm very happy and I believe in this cause. And I'm trying to help in every possible way that I can.
Right now I'm here with Pooja Balu, who is a jack of all trades, actress, dancer, and now renowned artist. She's got her guitar at display. And tell us more about it. What inspired you?
Okay, so it's basically something I just stumbled upon. A friend was talking about it and I happened to see it online. I had a bunch of Red Bull cans with me and I decided to make something out of that. Didn't happen, Google didn't happen. I was listening to Walk of the Earth, they song Little Boxes. And it was so inspiring because everything in their video is made out of boxes. So I said, hey, why not make a guitar? And I finally didn't make anything with the Red Bull cans, but what I did do was make a guitar out of a chocolate tin box, which you will see soon, I'm guessing. And it's an old guitar, done some carpentry work on it, attached it to an old tin box, and nut and bolts, some old strings, and yeah, you can play it.
Tell us what you think about the rest of the art that's at display. What is your opinion on the, what's your favorite piece of art you've seen so far?
There was some really cool stuff. There's this 4-year-old kid who made a sharpener shaving painting, which is so cute. What I really liked was the Harley Davidson bike that's made out of disposed electronics, which is really cool. And the paper curtains, they're brilliant. Those are my two favorite, absolute, yeah.
So are you an environmentally aware and conscious citizen? Or
I'm vegan, if that really helps. I am.
Wow.
Yes. So no more products, no anything. I like Mother Nature.
we've come to the end of a fantabulous evening, and I've got the people with me who are responsible for it, Shailaja and Matthew, and they're going to tell us what went into the process of creating today.
Thank you. We generally, in Art and Soul, we put together shows for special things. And so, Jiku, one of our friends, put us together, and Matthew works with recycling and, the whole idea about waste management and paper recycling. And so, when we met Paperman and Matthew, we were very excited because then we decided we'll do something together. So, we ran a contest before in the gallery for designing certain trophies and stuff like that. We worked with the government college in Madras. And so, when Matthew said, let's run something for waste, a contest with art from waste. And then I think the creative team got together and we coined up with this Restart Earth, and so there's a lot of excitement. So there were 3-4 aspects to the whole Earth Day celebration with Restart. One was what you see in the gallery. We have 14 artists here who came together, and they're very senior artists, some who regularly work with waste, some who worked with waste particularly for this show. So this is the regular art show which will be running until the 13th of May. That apart, the contest which they had announced, that I think Matthew will tell you about it. So we got one of our friends, artist Vishwam, to come judge it, and the promotion happened in Facebook. And then the whole Eco-Mart again, let's have this. We usually have a stall section when we do Art Chandai also in the gallery. So the whole thing, for the Earth Day, it went into this Eco-Mart also. And then the food stalls, we worked around everything to go with the theme. And I think Matthew should tell you about the contest part of it.
Well, we had an amazing time organizing all this together for you, and we really enjoyed it. We got amazing support across Chennai for our activity, from be it like the art contest to a fashion show. What we found was everybody just came together to help us out. Every door we knocked just opened for us, and it just happened. And I'm so happy for this day.
So we saw some creative, enterprising work there, and I hope that gave you an idea on how to implement recycled material into your daily lives. On that socially responsible note, let's take a break.